Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through a complete review of Gumroad and help you decide whether it's the right platform for selling digital products online. Gumroad is one of the most popular creator-focused platforms for selling ebooks, courses, templates, music, software, memberships, and other digital products without needing to build a complicated e-commerce website. What makes Gumroad stand out is its simplicity. You can literally create an account, upload a product, set a price, and start selling within minutes, which is why many creators, freelancers, and beginners prefer it over more advanced e-commerce platforms. One of the biggest advantages of Gumroad is how beginner-friendly the platform feels. The dashboard is clean, easy to understand, and focused mainly on helping creators start selling quickly. You don't need coding skills, web hosting, or complicated integrations to launch your products. Gumroad handles payments, product delivery, checkout pages, and customer management automatically, which removes a lot of technical stress for new sellers. Another feature many users like is the flexibility in pricing. You can sell products with fixed pricing, subscriptions, memberships, pay-what-you-want options, or even offer free downloads to grow your audience. This makes Gumroad useful for creators who want to experiment with different business models without setting up separate systems. The checkout experience is also smooth and optimized for fast purchases, which can help improve conversion rates. Gumroad also includes built-in tools for email marketing and audience management. You can send updates directly to customers, announce new product launches, and communicate with followers from inside the platform itself. For independent creators trying to build a personal brand, this is very useful because it keeps everything in one place instead of relying on multiple external tools. Another strong point is how well Gumroad works for digital creators specifically. Artists, writers, musicians, developers, educators, and designers can all upload and deliver digital files easily. The platform supports videos, PDFs, zip files, audio products, and more, making it flexible for many different creative industries. It also supports affiliate programs, allowing other people to promote your products for commissions. However, Gumroad does have a few limitations. Compared to platforms like Shopify, it offers fewer customization options for store design and branding. Your storefront may feel somewhat limited if you want a highly professional or unique e-commerce experience. Transaction fees can also become noticeable as your sales volume increases, especially for creators using the free plan. Some advanced business features, automation tools, and analytics are also more limited compared to larger e-commerce platforms. So, Gumroad is an excellent platform for creators who want a simple, fast, and low-maintenance way to start selling digital products online. It removes technical barriers, simplifies payments and delivery, and allows creators to focus more on building products and audiences instead of managing complicated websites. If your main goal is to launch digital products quickly and start monetizing your skills with minimal setup, Gumroad is definitely worth trying and remains one of the easiest creator platforms available today. Subscribe the channel for more videos.